Hey guys, today I want to show you something most miners never really see. Everyone talks about hash rate, 500 terahash, 1000 terahash, but very few people actually understand what's behind it. Right now, we're looking at a full 120 unit WhatsMiner M73 hydro cooling shipment. Each machine runs around 500 plus TH, and when you scale that to 120 units, you're dealing with nearly 1200 kilowatts of heat. And here's the reality, you cannot cool this with fans. Not even close. If your cooling system is not properly designed, your machines will throttle within minutes, and your ROI is basically gone. So let me walk you through what's actually inside this shipment. First, you have 6 hydro cooling cabinets. Each cabinet holds 20 machines. But this is not just a rack, it's a full liquid distribution system. The flow inside each cabinet has to be perfectly balanced. If one side gets less flow, those machines overheat immediately. When fully loaded with coolant and miners, each cabinet weighs close to 900 kilograms and the total system goes over 5 tons. This is industrial infrastructure, not a simple mining setup. Next, the most important part, the central CDU, the cooling distribution unit. Think of this as the brain of the entire system. Instead of using multiple small pumps, everything is controlled by one centralized unit. It manages flow, pressure, and temperature across all 120 machines. It automatically adjusts pump speed, balances pressure, and even shuts down the system if something goes wrong, like a leak or low coolant level. This is what keeps your operation stable 24/7. Now let's talk about the big guy, the 1200 kW dry cooler. A lot of people think it's just a big radiator. It's not. This system is designed to handle high temperature water, around 45 degrees Celsius, and bring it down efficiently using massive airflow, about 440,000 cubic meters per hour. It uses 20 industrial fans, and the design is optimized for real-world environments, especially places with dust or limited water supply. That's why many large farms choose dry coolers instead of water towers. No water consumption, lower maintenance, and more stable long-term operation. And finally, let's talk about something people always underestimate, logistics. Shipping a system like this is not simple. You're not just sending miners. You're shipping cabinets, pumps, and a massive cooling unit across countries. In this case, we delivered everything to Mexico using DDP terms. That means we handled shipping, customs clearance, duties, even local coordination. The client just receives the system and starts deployment. No surprises, no delays. So what's the takeaway here? Scaling to 120 units is not just about buying machines. It's about engineering the entire system. Flow rate, pressure, thermal capacity, and logistics, everything has to match. At MinerSource, we don't just sell miners. We provide a complete, factory-matched solution, from cabinets to CDU to dry cooler, all designed to work together from day one. If you're planning to scale your mining operation, especially with hydro machines like the M73, make sure your cooling system is not the weak point. Because in large-scale mining, cooling is not support, it is the system. We are MinerSource, a direct distributor in the mining industry. We work directly with manufacturers like Bitmain and WhatsMiner, so everything we provide is original, brand new, and competitively priced. Over the past few years, we've shipped mining equipment to more than 20 countries, including the US, Canada, Dubai, and across Europe and South America. We understand not just the products, but also logistics, customs, and real deployment challenges. But we don't just sell machines. We provide complete solutions, including hydro cooling systems, mining farm design, and full delivery support. From sourcing to shipping to setup, everything is handled in one place. Our goal is simple: help our clients scale safely, avoid costly mistakes, and run stable operations long-term. If you're serious about mining, MinerSource is ready to support you.
直走，这里。